Hello, miners, and welcome to an episode of Summon Night. I'm Mindlogged, and we're going to resume Summon Night. Here we go. Where should I start? Master said he was going to teach me a new technique before the first match. Cootie! Sure. Let's go ask Master. How do I know what this thing means? Let's go save again. Alright. Saving. And now I got my summon. Holy fuck! Oh, that scared me. Yo, Mindlord! Oh, Master, I was just about to go see you. The folks from the Central Tower have arrived. Behave yourself. Hello, hello. Greetings, Mindlord. I have a delivery for you. Here's your labyrinth key. Ding! Show the key to the guard. First floor, first side. You can enter the labyrinth. How's it going? See you now. Bye! Oh, that's funny. I love how you leave. This is the labyrinth key. The labyrinth under the central tower. The treasure mine for crafting. God, his voice hurts me. If you're gonna be skilled, you can craft ice. You're gonna find your own material. That's all I gotta say. But I heard there are tons of summon creatures and stray marks protecting the hollow spirit Carissa from the evil labyrinth. Is that right? I'm a bit scared. A skilled craft knight needs a master. It needs to be a master wielding weapons as well as making them. You gotta be able to handle 100 or 200 strays by yourself. You've gotta be kidding! You're a craft lord. You're gonna be a craft lord, guardian of the Holy Spirit, Barista. Right? Either way, if you ever end up becoming a craft lord, you'll be going to the Shrine of Parista every month, located in the depth of the tower. If you can't make it to the Holy Spirit, you'd be ashamed of the craft lord. I guess you're right, Master. Anyway, the battle has begun. Get ready. See, okay. First, your weapon you're gonna craft is this. Wow! I'm nervous. This is gonna be my first craft. Don't be nervous. You've got Furry Buddy assisting you. Cootie! Now let's see if you remember the basics of making a weapon. I remember perfectly! And with that, I don't remember at all! First, we must collect the items and use as weapon materials. Next, heat and smelt the items using forge and separate them into 4 kinds of mineral ores. Then combine the ores using the technique of that weapon. We smite them with a hammer to complete it. Bravo, you've learned well. First things first, go get yourself some materials. Go buy some iron ore at the item shop. Huh? Are we supposed to collect material in the labyrinth? Aye, that's correct, but you're gonna head in there without any weapons? That would be very tough. So you gotta make a weapon first. The biggest reason I told you to buy this is because iron ore is on sale today. I see. The price is 10 bohm each. That's cheap! Here's some cash, now run off. Or it's a bargain! Yarr! 300 boom! Wow! Go, 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 go! I need to get that iron ore! Mine! Come on! Ooh! We need to get that. Welcome to my shop. Do you have any iron ore here? Oh, sorry, we just sold out of it. Oh, that's just my luck. Fuck. Really? See that girl over there? I sold her all we had. What? I'm afraid not. We're going. What are we going to do now? We don't have enough. Cootie? What's the matter with the girl? Oh, you're thinking we should buy some from her? What should I do? Forget it. I'll try asking for some more. Let's just ask her. Hi there. I'm wondering if you wouldn't mind selling me some iron ore. What's this all of a sudden? You, haven't I met you somewhere? I remember you now. You were there at the open ceremony. So you're participating in the tournament too? It appears so. Just as surprised as you, someone spaced out at the goddamn there's tournament. What's that supposed to mean? Just as I said, I'm not gonna sell you any iron ore. Any iron ore. You're false, Slowpoke. I don't have time to mess with you. I'm going to the labyrinth now. See you. What a bitch. Fuck that bitch. God damn it. Sigh. Anyways, let's go to Master and talk about this. Goody! Fucking stupid bitch. She bought me out of iron ore. Fuck. Wait till Master hears about this. I'm gonna fuck. Wow, the graphics here are amazing. They make this old man's head shine like no other. Holy crap. Can I touch your bald head? Come on, let me touch your head. Never mind. Screw it. Your head's not worth it. Master! She took my iron ore, man! Hey, you're back. Did you get the materials? Actually... What? They were completely sold out to a mean girl? That's correct! She said, I can't believe that someone spaced out as you would enter the tournament. Or something like that. I see. That's got to be Fennery. Fennery? Aye. She's one of my apprentices here at the Silver Guild, and she's competing in the tournament. She's a contestant, just like you. I told her about the sales as well. How come? What do you expect? You aren't the only trainee here, I got to be fair. You're right. Anyway, Fennery tends to be tough on it. Don't you think she could at least make still one of those doors? Nah. What Fennery did was correct. You two are rivals now. The battles have begun, and she's gonna wreck your anus! Oh god! No, Master! She's going to wreck it! She's going to wreck your anus! My two scrap hammer. Your hammer, of course! But this is just a hammer we use for crafting. Now listen carefully. A hammer cannot forge only a weapon, but also a man! Huh? Isn't that right, furry buddy? Goody! Alright, you understand. Now get going. What? Hammer is now usable. Press the A button to use the hammer. Slamming, slamming, slamming down. Do, boop, boop, do, do, do. Let's go to the labyrinth, yeah. And I'm gonna bash some skulls in. Heck yeah! Do it! Alright. Do 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 do. Down now away. Looks like you have a key, alright. Why don't you have any weapons? Labyrinth is way too dangerous. You can't let you go down there unarmed, even if you are a craft lord candidate. Come back when you probably will. I have a weapon. Where? This hammer. That's a smithy hammer, isn't it? You need to take care of your tools of the craft knight. Weapons aren't the only things this hammer can forge. It can forge a man! Did that work? Ooh, sorry. You've got guts, kid. Those are bold words, huh? Well said. If you're that willing to go, I've got no right to stop you. Show us how far you can go with that hammer in hand. Yes, sir. Don't worry. If something happens, we'll tell the folks how brave you were. Huh? Now go! Huh? Da, 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 da. You don't get it, do you? I repeat, I won't give you my iron ore to you. I never told you to give it to me, and my name is Mindlock! Well, okay, so Mindlock, you're going to the lab with just a hammer? Whose fault do you think that is? I couldn't make my own because you didn't have it, I didn't have any iron. Oh boy. Are you trying to tell me that it's all my fault? Are you crazy? Crazy like a fox? Well, if you're that determined to get materials, I might help you. I'll give you a quiz, and if you answer correctly, I'll give you the material that found earlier. Wait a second, don't just make things up! Now, you don't have to thank me yet. Here's the first question. A female craft knight is greater than a male one. True or false? Fuck it, I don't give a shit. I'll beat you later. She's a bitch. What'd I get? Ooh, I got a bandage. Oh, my first real fight. Damn, this hammer's so slow. Die! Die! I'm gonna pound your head in like a whack-a-mole! You are my carnival! Die! Die! Smack! Oh, I killed him! Smack! Smack! Oh, shit! Smack! 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 Oh, shit! Smack! Smack! Yeah, did it! Ooh, I got a bottomless cup. Cool. Let's go! Yeah, let's fight, bruh. Come on! Yeah, got him. Alright. I leveled up! Yeah, I'm no longer level 1. Alright. Here we go! Smash! 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 Don't run away from me. Smash! Smash! Ooh! Ooh, come on! Ooh, dang it! Yeah! Yeah, I won again! Alright. So I'll probably end this in a minute here, but... What the... Henry? Dang it. Cause... She's a little bit different, a bit more gentle. Who's there? I'm sorry, I didn't mean to disturb you or anything. I don't mind, this place isn't mine, so I won't tell you to leave. Really, thanks. Look how beautiful this place is. Alright, miners. Me and Senri are gonna hang out here for a minute. She's not such a meanie, but hey. Tune into the next episode of Summon Night. This is Mindlog, and I'm logging off. See you later, miners. I'll see you in the next episode of Craft Night, the Summon Night story of the sword.